Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 8th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, despite the announcement from Trump today that the U.S. will indeed withdraw from the Iran nuclear deal, stocks closed mostly flat. They did bounce around a little, but by the end of the day, we saw very, very small moves for the main index charts here. The Dow up 2.89 points, so a little less than 3 points. Not a big move at all, but did make up lost ground from earlier in the day. The S&P 500 was down less than a point today, while the Nasdaq managed to gain about 1.5 points. And the Russell, which really is moving a little better than others right now, up 7.5 points today. Bonds were lower across the board, causing the yield in the 10-year Treasury note to spike back up to 2.977, while gold managed to gain about 90 cents or so at the official close. And crude oil, which was down sharply early in the day, made at least half of that back, if not more, and finished lower by just about 70 cents or so. The real star was the US dollar, not just against the CAD here, but if we have a look at the dollar index chart, that is the US dollar against a basket of 6 other currencies. There it is, a nice strong move. So it continues to perform extremely well. Now, earnings season continues. VRX announced earlier today, had a nice strong move here, finished the day higher by about 9%, was even higher than that earlier in the session. This one looking like a comeback story, but not, hasn't confirmed just yet. When you see a stock consolidate for this long here, and we're talking about going back about a year or so, actually almost 2 years. It is about 2 years since we saw that big drop, and then we've just been kind of in a range ever since, and now we're trying to get back above here. The only time that you can consider this to be something of significance here is if and when we clear this high here. So that won't come in until after we get above 25, but we're approaching that 20 level, which is significant considering we had put in a low here at 831. So it's already moved nicely, but unless and until we clear 25, this really won't be much of a comeback story. But definitely a decent earnings day for VRX. A couple of others reporting earnings today. Disney beat expectations, yet after hours they were down about 1% or so. We're higher earlier in after hours trading, but then started to lose ground. But a significant mover after hours was TripAdvisor. A big move up. I saw it about 19% higher after hours, a significant beat there. That will take this to about 47 if that's where it opens tomorrow. So a significant gap potentially here on TripAdvisor. Again, has a ways to go to make up lost ground here, but certainly a move back to about 47 would be a significant start here for the potential comeback for TripAdvisor. So keep an eye on those three tomorrow. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.